Hi guys, so today, have you ever wanted to know what it looks like inside a tablet? If you did, then today you'll be seeing what's inside a tablet. This isn't really a tablet, it's more of a laptop. Me and my brother both don't know if it's an Apple. If you guys know if it's an Apple or not, then tell me in the comment to me and tell me if it is. Hold on. Comment to me and tell me if that if that's an Apple. And this is the keyboard. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the keyboard because I might show what's inside a button on a keyboard. But I might bring a hammer, which that'd do a lot of damage, but I also might go outside and throw it and slam it against the pot. And I might get a knife. I'm going to try slamming it first. This might be a short video. Actually, I'm going to try using a knife first. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. I'm going to get a knife. I don't want to use a oh, dude. How did I could use this one. Look. Yep, it's not doing any damage. Did you see that? This might be a bad video because can you see what I just did? I don't think if you can see the crack, but yeah, there was a little bit of a crack, and I got permission from my mom to do this. She said that I should ask my dad, but how could you fix it? It already had a huge crack around it. How could you fix it if it already had a crack? Okay, let's go see what it looks like if you just slam it. I'm gonna open this fast because this phone only has an unlimited time of filming, and it says 13 minutes 20 seconds. So this might be a short video, but plus doing the picking out the buttons, which I think I'm gonna do that. But you're going to see it after I do this. Hold on. Let me close the door. Okay, here we are. I don't think you can see, but see that big crack? I did that with a knife. Oops. Hi everybody, I'm going to watch Mr. Beast, but whoops! That didn't do any damage. Watch, I'm going to slam it against the swing. Dude, look at that. It's peeling. Maybe I could do the rest of this with my hand. Dude, can you see that? I'm trying to be careful so I don't cut myself. Oh, dude. So they actually use glass, and behind it is just a screen. Wow, that looks fancy. I'm going to take this up. I don't think you guys have met my mom. She's going to, I got permission from her. I hope my dad is not extremely mad, but I'm going to show her the damage I already did. And I'm going to ask her what's wrong with being on camera if she says something's wrong with it. Look! Everybody! Look! Yeah, look. Actually, I'm not done with it. But I just wanted to show you the damage.
Well, hey, maybe we could just replace this.
Yeah, maybe. Guys, we might be able to fix this tablet.
Gosh, how did you break that?
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The little one, his name is Joseph, and he has a playlist on my channel. And I don't think you guys have seen his. Hi, it didn't even show you on it. Take that, sucker. He just tried waving at you guys. My mom thinks we can replace this top.
Hey guys.
Get out of here. Get out of here. Look at it. Look. You can see through this. This is a complete window.
Oh my gosh.
This is a complete window, guys.
Oh my god.
Hold on, I got some glass on here. Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. I accidentally flipped you guys over.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't think anybody would be too happy about. This is already a broken tablet,
Yeah.
so it's not wasting money. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Comment to me in the comment section below. It's not wasting money because it's already broken.
Yeah.
Sugar, you don't know what I'm talking about. Do you even know what the commenting section is? Or whatever it's called?
No.
Guys, I don't know I'm gonna do this, but okay, guys, here we are opening it. This is what it looks like inside, but I've actually never known that this was made out of something totally different from glass. This is plastic. On the inside has the glass. Guys, comment down in the section below if you knew that that was possible. It could probably still work if I can take this off. But I'm not gonna. Oh. So I could use this for a face shield for a shot. Yeah, that'd be actually cool. Face shield with the coronavirus going on. I wouldn't open this because my mom might be able to fix it on my dad. He's really good at fixing computers and tablets. He could fix this. Like, doesn't that make any sense? It just has a bunch of glass on it. I mean, not glass, this plastic stuff. This makes a good face shield. Yeah. Get out of here.
Yeah.
You ugly, stupid ogre. Okay, guys, so I cheated in the video. Oh. But guys, I actually stabbed myself with glass.
With glass?
I'm not glass, plastic. It's all fine. Hush up and get out of here. And like I said, my videos are not clickbait. He's actually this annoying.
Dude.
Okay, so we're going to continue on to the keyboard of the computer. Stop. We might be able to fix that. I know he's a little bit stupid.
Shut up, guys.
Don't listen to him. If you ever see him in real life, don't ever listen to him. He's an ugly, stupid ogre. This, and I hope you guys know where I got that from. We're gonna use a butter knife to deal with this, the keyboard. We're gonna start with using a butter knife. Or I could use a fork. That could work. Like, guys, look. I'm gonna use a fork. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna see if I can get off the shift button. Guys, do you think I could actually do this in one video? Because I only have 3 minutes to film. I might have to do this in another video. Come on. Oh, guys, I might be getting it. Oh, guys, I'm actually getting off the enter button. Got off the enter button. And, guys, do you know what this small piece is? I have no idea. Comment in the section down below if you know what this is. And make a list with commas in it. If you don't know what commas is, just make a list with spaces. Oh, shoot, I just got another piece that looks the same. And also, if you know what this piece is. I'm gonna try and get off this button with, I don't know what the heck this button is. So we got off 2 buttons, but I don't think I have enough time to film. Bye, and make a list of those things, and if you have to, we film this. Bye. I mean, we watch it, not we film it.